The Dr. Infrared DR-123 arrives looking more like a small piece of furniture than a space heater, which already gives it an edge. There's something refreshing about a machine that doesn't scream for attention, but quietly promises to make a room livable again. Its compact, cubed frame stands just under 14 inches tall, rolling easily on 4 smooth casters, and somehow manages to feel sturdy without being bulky. The cabinet finish gives it a warm Empire classic look, far from the usual plastic tower that clashes with everything around it. The real surprise is what happens when the heater comes to life. The dual heating system combines infrared quartz warmth with a PTC fan that moves heat forward fast, filling the space in a way that feels natural. Instead of blasting out dry, stale heat, it brings steady comfort without turning the air dusty or harsh. Rooms that typically feel forgotten, cold offices, drafty bedrooms, even tiled bathrooms, quickly transform into inviting spaces again. In one 150-square-foot interior office chilled by constant air conditioning, the room eased from 63 degrees Fahrenheit up to a comfortable 70 degrees Fahrenheit in just over half an hour. That kind of performance from a heater this size feels almost unfair. The digital display keeps everything simple. 3 heating modes, a thermostat that ranges from 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, and a programmable timer up to 12 hours. Nothing confusing, nothing buried in layers of settings. Even better, the remote control allows adjustments from across the room, making it easy to fine-tune warmth without crouching beside the unit. For large bedrooms around 300 to 350 square feet, the heater holds temperature steadily without cycling aggressively or creating hot and cold pockets. The Eco mode softens energy use by adjusting output automatically, which helps maintain comfort without chasing the thermostat. A few thoughtful details stand out. The built-in lifetime filter prevents dust from being sucked directly into the heater, a feature surprisingly rare in portable units. The long 6-foot power cord provides useful flexibility. And while safety often feels like a marketing checkbox, the tip-over shutoff and overheat protection here function exactly as they should, cutting power instantly when triggered. The unit runs cool on the outside, which extends durability, and the operating noise stays under 45 dB, soft enough for sleep, work, or a quiet movie night. Fans of the brand often end up collecting more than one of these heaters for a reason. They don't shut off unpredictably after a time limit the way some models do. Instead, they monitor temperature consistently, resting only long enough to read the environment before heating again. This makes them reliable companions for small homes where every degree of warmth matters. Many households run multiple units on separate circuits to keep entire spaces comfortable through long winters. Even large or high-ceiling rooms benefit. Game rooms and slab foundation spaces that used to be avoided in cold months become usable again. The strong, quiet airflow helps push warmth far beyond the heater's small footprint. That combination, compact but capable, explains why it leaves such a strong impression on anyone who puts it to the test. The DR-123 doesn't pretend to be anything more than what it is, a dependable, thoughtfully designed heater that performs consistently and efficiently. Its portability, smart controls, safety features, and surprisingly powerful output make it feel like a tool built for real life rather than a disposable seasonal gadget. When the temperatures drop, this little box proves just how much comfort can come from a machine the size of a loaf of bread, rolling into place and restoring warmth with quiet confidence.